Find equivalent capacitance between X and Y. So first let us see, let us mark the point. Let us mark it as point A. Since it is connected by wire, this point will also be A. And this point as B. Since it is connected by wire, this will be also B. Potential at A and potential here and here potential is same. Here and here the potential is same. Here there is a split, so we will keep it as point C. Here this is point D. Since it is connected by wire, we can see D. So first let us see, it is start from X. 8. All are in R. Capacitance C R in microfarad. This is 8. Then again followed by this is 8. Then A. This is point A. From here 6 microfarad and followed by 3 microfarad. Then comes the point B. Okay, now from A to C, there is a capacitor. A to C is 2 microfarad. Then C to B, B to C, there is a 3 microfarad. B to C 3 microfarad, A to C 2 microfarad. Okay, then followed by D, we will keep it here. So B to D, this is B, B to D 1 microfarad, and C to, this is C to D 1 microfarad. Then again B to D 1 more. So we cannot cross this one, because if we are crossing this one, it means it is connected with this one. So we will jump it. There is no connection between this wire and this wire. So we will write it like this. So between B to D, that is 1, B to D, C to D, that is B to D 1 microfarad. 1 microfarad, right? Then A to D, is there any connection? A to D, is there? No, there is no connection between A to D. From D onwards, from D to Y, there is 8 microfarad. So you will write only, you will not write, all are in microfarads. So this is the way we have converted the connections. Now let us see whether it is matching with this or not. Now let us try to form, this is 1. Here Wheatstone bridge means, let us keep EA. See, these 6 and 3 are in series, so we can write 6 and 3, this is equivalent, 6 plus 3, multiply divided by addition, that is 18 divided by 9 is equal to 2. So this is converted into 2. From EA, as it is, there is 8 microfarad. 8, we will write 8 only because space is not there. So what is this point? This point is X. This point is X. So this point is X. A to B. A to B, how much? A to B is 2 microfarad. This is 2 microfarad. A to B 2 microfarad. Then this is point B. This point B. Since D is, there is a wire is jumping, D, instead of keeping D here, we will keep it there so that there is no jumping. So we will keep this point D here. If you what is the capacitance between B and D? 1 microfarad. So 1 microfarad. Okay, B and D is over. Now A, B, C, D. So C we will keep it here. So is there anything between A and C? A and C. A and C, this is the point. What is A and C? There is a 2 microfarad. So this will write 2 microfarad because this wire is jumping. So this is a direct connection. A and C 2 microfarad, and C and D. C and D there is 1 microfarad. So we will connect it here. 1 microfarad. This is C, point C. This point C, is there any connection between B and C? Yes. B and C there is a 3 microfarad. B and C there is 3 microfarad. Then from D, oh, is there anything? Yes. From D there is one more connection. This is 8 microfarad and this is Y. From D this one. So we have formed the Wheatstone bridge. As we know, Wheatstone bridge, if it is balanced, means this divided by this and this divided by this should be equal. It means, let us see, 2 divided by 1, that is 2 microfarad divided by 1, 2 divided by 1 is equal to constant. 2 by 1, 2 by 1, or 2 by 2, 1 by 1. 2 by 2 is equal to 1, 1 by 1 is equal to 1. It means this Wheatstone bridge is, the Wheatstone bridge is balanced. If it is balanced means potential, if it is balanced means the potential at B will be equal to potential at C. Potential at B is equal to potential at C. If it is C, it means there won't be any current or charge flowing. It means this capacitor 3 microfarad is waste for us. Waste for us, we can remove this. Now the circuit will be converted into 8 microfarad and A to B 2, this is 1 and D. Now A to C 2 microfarad, this is in series with 1 microfarad. 2, 1, then followed by this is 8 microfarad. 8 microfarad, this is Y and this is X side. So the circuit is converted into like this. Now this and this are in series, so 2 into 1 divided by 2 plus 1 is equal to 2 by 3. This is the microfarad. So this is 8 microfarad is equal to 2 by 3 and 8 into Y. And this is also 2 into 1. This will be also 2 by 3. So now these both are in parallel. It means this will be 8. This is X. This is 8. And this is 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 is equal to 2 into 2 by 3 is equal to 4 by 3. This is 4 by 3. So this we can write it as 4 by 3 microfarad. Then again followed by 2 into 2. Since it is parallel, we can add both. And this is 8 microfarad, then Y. So now we can easily get, all are in series now. All are in series. It means equivalency 1 by C between X and Y is equal to 1 by 8 plus 1 by 4 by 3, that becomes 3 by 4. 1 by 4 by 3 becomes 3 by 4 and this becomes 1 by 8. So this is equal to 1 by 8 is equal to 2 by 8, 2 into 1 by 8 and this is plus 3 by 4 is equal to 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 is equal to 1 microfarad. So the total in this circuit is equal to 1 microfarad is the answer. So the circuit will be like this. 1 microfarad between X and Y. find equivalent capacitance between A and B. So from here we can say this is the D point and E point. Between D and E, these 2C are in parallel. So we can say between E and C, 2C, this is the point D, this is the point E, 2C, which can be converted, which can be 2C to C. So C equivalent is equal to 2C. So series means take any one of the capacitor 2C. It is applicable only for, this method is applicable for series when both are equivalent capacitors. Take any one of the capacitor divided by number of the capacitor is equal to C. So this can be, this point can, we can remove it. After removing, we can write it like this, because this becomes C. Now between D and E, two capacitors are in parallel. If it is in parallel, then we can write, parallel means we get C equivalent is equal to C plus E, because parallel means we have to add the capacitor. C plus T is equal to 2C. So 2C we have seen. So this 2C can be replaced as, this can be replaced as 2C. Now from A, this way, A to B, there are 1, 2, 3 capacitors are in series. 3 capacitors, that is capacitor between C, A, D, E, B. There are identical capacitor 2C in series. It means take any one of the capacitor divided by a number of capacitors. So this can be treated like this. So this can be treated like this. That is 2 by 3C. So now these and these are series. It means we can say this can be replaced as 2C divided by number is equal to C. Why we are writing? So if it is parallel, we can write C equivalent is equal to 2C into 2C divided by 2C plus 2C. This is the way normally we can calculate, that is 4C square divided by 4C is equal to C. So this can be replaced as C. Now this, there is a division here and division, it means this and these are parallel. We will add up both. So equivalent capacitance between A and B is equal to, this is in parallel, so 2 by 3C multiplied with C is equal to C. If you take it as outside, 2 by 3 plus 1 is equal to C into 2 plus 3 by 3 is equal to 5C by 3. This is the equivalent capacitance, 5C by 3. Find equivalent capacitance between A and B. A and B, this we have to find out between A and B. See in this section, if you see this section, if you see this is a capacitor connected here. Now let us take this point as P and this point as Q. It means between P and Q there are 3 capacitors connected in series. For series connection, for series and equivalent identical capacitor, equivalent and identical capacitors, we can take the C equivalent, that is C between P and Q is equal to, take any one of these capacitors, because this is 6C and 6C, between these two, this is between P and Q. So between this portion series, take any one of the capacitor, that is 6C divided by number of the capacitor, 1, 2, 3 is equal to 2C. So between P and Q, this we can reduce it as 2C. So this is 2C 2C. Now, from here, from P and Q, these and these are in parallel. Parallel means we have to add both the capacitors. So again, C, P and Q is equal to 4 plus 2 is equal to 6C. So this we can, again this we can convert it into 6C. 6C. Now, this 6C and this 6C, this 6C are on series. Suppose we take this point as X and Y. Between X and Y, 6C, 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 Y and X. Sorry, 6C, 6C, all are in parallel. All are in parallel. Take any one capacitor that is between C, X and Y. Take any one of this capacitor, 6C, and divided by number of capacitor. Number of capacitor is 3 here, is equal to 2C. It means between X and Y, we can connect it, we can remove this and we can connect it as 2C. 2C. Now, these and these are parallel. These and these are parallel. It means between X and Y, again C equivalent, because these from between this point and this point, X and Y, these and these are parallel. Therefore, the C equivalent is equal to add both the capacitor is equal to 6C. So this 6C can be removed and can be written as 6C. 6C. Now, between A and B, 3 capacitors are in series. So, 3 capacitors are in series between A and B. 6C, 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 SSB. So, this can be converted into any one of the capacitor. C between A and B is equal to any one of the capacitor divided by number of capacitor. 1, 2, 3. Take any one of this. It is only for identical capacitor we can use this formula. So, 6C is equal to 2C. So, now this can be removed. This can be removed and can be replaced as 2C. So, the equivalent capacitor between A and B is equal to 2C between A and B. This is the equivalent capacitor.